Hi, my name is Dhanashri and I'm one of the Q experts at Q Marketplace. Q Marketplace is an online platform for small business owners to discover, purchase, and manage their business solutions all in one place. Now, you are an expert in your business, but maybe not in payroll. Not all businesses are created equal, and even the best payroll provider in the market may or may not fit your specific needs. In this video, we'll go through the important considerations to keep in mind when choosing a payroll provider for your small business. The 6 things to take into consideration when choosing a payroll software for your company are cost, payroll taxes, security, customer support and migration, integrations, and free trial. When deciding on a payroll system, the cost of the payroll system is top priority for most small businesses. You want a payroll provider who is not only affordable but also gets the job done. So, for a lot of small businesses like yours, the first question that will likely spring to your mind is how much will it cost? Because there are so many different pricing structures, it's not always easy to compare. Most providers charge a flat monthly fee plus an additional fee for each employee. But be careful because there can be extra cost associated as well. For example, some service providers will charge fees for initial setup, paying employees in multiple states, or even generating tax forms such as W-2. There might be also additional charges for tracking paid time off, amending payrolls in case of any clerical error, or getting help with the IRS notice. Before you get started, make sure you outline everything you're going to need from your provider so that you can get a more realistic sense of how much payroll will cost you. Factor 2, payroll taxes. Now make sure that the payroll service provider that you choose should be able to process at the typical state and federal level tax deduction and filings. Be sure to ask any providers that are based out of your business state if they have the capability to handle different regulations of taxes in your area. Also, be sure to mention to your provider if you have any employees that are working out of state, if you have any contractors or part-time employees. Make sure that you're able to view all the deductions in the customized report. Know what actions that the payroll provider will take if any mistakes or errors are being made. Knowing all the small details will definitely help you in deciding whether the provider you're looking for is capable of handling the taxes properly for you. Third factor, security. Now, imagine a scenario when someone gains access to your employee's social security number or other personal information. Now, that sounds like a terrible nightmare for both employer and employees. Now, security is an important aspect when choosing payroll system. Make sure you know that how the provider secures employee information, and the payroll system is bonded, insured, and includes high-end security encryptions like they have with banks. That way you can trust that the information is safe and secure. Factor 4, customer support and migration. Now, payroll never really takes a vacation, so it is crucial for any good payroll company to offer strong customer support when you have problems or questions. Now, when determining the level of support offered by payroll provider, some questions to ask include: what professional payroll certification does a customer support have? Will you receive a dedicated account manager or team? Is the support staff available via chat, email, phone? Are they available 365 days, 7 days a week, 24 hours? Or are they available for a limited amount of time? What is the average response time of a support request? Also, keep in mind if you're moving from one support service or one payroll provider to another, don't forget about migration. Now, it can seem like a small thing, but handing over the keys to process payroll might really test your or your employees' patience. Are you going to have to input all of your employee information yourself? Is your payroll provider willing to help you migrate to their service or provide any service or resources to make it easier for you? Now, since this can be a pretty stressful part of outsourcing payroll, you should make sure you know exactly what you want or what to expect upfront. Factor 5, integrations. Now, you definitely want to stay away from payroll providers who are unwilling to partner or integrate with other HR or accounting software platforms. Now, when a payroll provider system is easily integrated with other types of accounting or HR platforms, you are afforded with greater flexibility, more control, and better results. Similarly, it is also important for the payroll provider to partner with workers' compensation and benefit providers that understand small business needs in order to provide the most complete payroll package possible. Now, Gusto and ADP are two such platforms, payroll providers who provide an all in one package of payroll benefits and HR services for small businesses. Now, the last piece I would like to cover is free trial. When you find a payroll solutions you think will work for your business, check to see if the payroll provider you're considering offers a free trial. The free trial allows you to learn the system with hands-on approach and temporarily run your payroll at no cost to you. This way you can test out the features, get an idea of their user experience as well as customer service. Now, the winning product should offer a healthy balance between functionality, price, customer service, and user experience. Other considerations to keep in mind: scalability. Choose a provider that will be able to effectively manage growth and expansion. Customer reviews or ratings. Check out any reviews on the providers that you are considering so that you can get an idea of other customers' experiences as well. Choosing a payroll service provider does not have to be difficult. It's all about comparing the leading service providers out there in the market. Deciding on which payroll system is right for your business can depend on the number of factors that we discussed in this video. I hope you found this video useful. For more information on payroll services recommended by Q, you can find the link down in the description. Our team of experts has spent hours researching on different payroll service providers and have added the best ones on our marketplace where you can manage your software and services directly. In the next video, we'll be covering comparisons between online legal services. We release new content every 2 weeks, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.